Lahore, the cultural capital of Pakistan, is a city steeped in history, art, and a vibrant tapestry of traditions that make it a captivating destination for tourists. With its rich heritage, stunning architecture, and bustling markets, Lahore offers a blend of ancient landmarks, modern attractions, and a vibrant atmosphere that beckons travelers to explore its diverse offerings. The historical significance of Lahore is evident in its iconic landmarks. The Lahore Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a testament to the city's Mughal past, with its stunning architecture, ornate frescoes, and the iconic Sheesh Mahal. The Badshahi Mosque, one of the largest mosques in the world, showcases the grandeur of Mughal architecture and offers a sense of reverence. The Lahore Museum houses an extensive collection of artifacts, sculptures, and artwork that provide insights into the region's history and cultural heritage. The nearby Lahore Zoo, one of the oldest zoos in South Asia, is a family-friendly attraction where visitors can see a diverse range of animals. The walled city of Lahore, with its narrow streets and bustling bazaars, offers a glimpse into the city's vibrant culture. The Lahore Food Street is a culinary haven, offering traditional dishes like nihari, halim, and the city's renowned Lahori charga. The Lahore Anarkali Bazaar is a bustling market where visitors can shop for textiles, jewelry, and handicrafts. Lahore's artistic scene is vibrant, with theaters, art galleries, and cultural events that celebrate the city's creative spirit. The Alhambra Arts Council is a hub for cultural performances, exhibitions, and concerts that showcase the city's artistic talent. The Lahore Fort and Shalimar Gardens, both UNESCO World Heritage Sites, offer stunning light and sound shows that bring the city's history to life through multimedia presentations against the backdrop of the majestic architecture. Lahore's street life is a cultural experience in itself. The Lahore on Wheels tour offers a unique way to explore the city on a colorful rickshaw, providing an authentic and immersive perspective of the bustling streets, historic landmarks, and local life. The best time to visit Lahore is during the cooler months, from October to March, when the weather is more pleasant and outdoor activities are enjoyable. The city's blend of historical landmarks, cultural richness, and vibrant energy creates an enchanting experience that offers a unique window into Pakistan's artistic, culinary, and traditional treasures. In conclusion, Lahore is a city that encapsulates Pakistan's heritage, creativity, and cultural diversity. Whether you're exploring historical sites, indulging in culinary delights, or immersing in local culture, Lahore promises an unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Pakistan's cultural treasures and provides a unique opportunity to connect with its history, art, and the heartwarming spirit of its people.